U.S. government allegedly attempts to secure COVID-19 vaccine exclusively and only for the U.S. by offering large sums of money to a company in Germany that develops it.
Here's a summary of the article.
Berlin, the United States and Germany are vying to produce an exclusive vaccine against the coronavirus which is being developed in a German laboratory, Die Welt Daily reported Saturday. According to the paper, U.S. President Donald Trump is trying to poach German scientists working on an experimental vaccine against a global health threat that has now killed some 5,500 people with a view to having an exclusive license rolled out in the United States. Such a vaccine would be only for the United States, a source close to the German government told Die Welt, though Berlin would reportedly is looking to make offers of its own to biotech firm CureVac, based in the German state of Thuringia. The firm markets itself as specializing in development of treatments against cancer, antibody-based therapies, treatment of rare illnesses and prophylactic vaccines. The lab is currently working in tandem with the Paul Ehrlich Institute, linked to the German Ministry of Health. The German government is very interested in having the development of vaccines and active substances against the novel coronavirus undertaken in Germany and Europe, a health ministry spokesman told Die Welt, adding that the government was in intensive talks with CureVac. We are very confident that we will be able to develop a potent vaccine candidate within a few months, CureVac quoted Menechella, who has since given way to founder and incoming CEO Ingmar Herr, as saying following his Washington visit.
This post received a score of 96,026, with an upvote ratio of 82%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
This won't happen. The CEO who had talks with Trump already got replaced by the old one who resigned in 2018.
Source: pretty neat they did that.
Source: the creator of the polio vaccine never patented it so others could use it freely. We need more action like this, for the betterment of humanity.
The guys who first developed artificial insulin did the same thing. Well, they patented it defensively but not for profit. They decided in the end that medical ethics trumped profit. It was a real victory for humanity.
And that's why all Americans have cheap and easy access to insulin today.
Yeah, wait a second.
And I wish I could sell you guys some Mexican insulin, sad face.
Is insulin very affordable in Mexico?
And Canada. And everywhere else in the world.
If this is true, it's very cunt-like.
Apparently the CEO, Menechella, met with Trump on the 2nd of March to discuss CureVac's efforts at finding a vaccine. Then 9 days later he was sacked without explanation and the chairman and founder Herr took over as CEO. Source: that is a huge move when your company is in the middle of working on something this important. Was Menechella making overtures to Trump, or being receptive to Trump's overtures, causing Herr to step in? Or the opposite, was Menechella not playing nice with Trump prompting Herr to step in to try to execute a deal? Surely it can't be a coincidence given the timing. Herr is the German founder, who has a scientific background, while Menechella is a US-based CEO with a reputation as more of a deal maker.
Well, the former CEO acted against the proposed business plan. The new CEO is the founder of that corporation and stands more for research-based actions.
Also, Germans seem to believe that profits should not betray ethics while American business leaders tend to act as if ethics have no place in business.
Publicly traded German corporations require their board to be some proportion made up of representatives of labor. They ensure that people who are on the actual working side of the job get to make decisions about the company. In America they call those people peons and grind them into the dust to steal the majority of value from their labor. You end up with the type of citizens or country that you incentivize. Germany incentivizes economies working for everyone with shared input. America incentivizes relentless profit-making at the expense of real humans.
Can confirm, am American peon being ground into the dust. Me too, bud. Me too.
We're often referred to as the dusty fellas.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.